So the current location now is in the Bacon area. Bacon in St. Elizabeth, very adjoining community to the Newcomb Valley area. You see them set up them stall here, so later on a big cooking a go on there, so big cooking. Yeah man, everybody come out in them colours today. Yeah man. So I'm in the Bacon area. Yeah, you know, realize there's somebody there behind him, you know. So when you come on today, when you come on to election time, you find say a lot of people break the rules. The rules on the road. Yeah man, them break the rules on the road. So just so we Jamaicans stay, you know. I don't know why. Jamaican people is very unruly. When it come on to certain things, Jamaican people unruly. Yeah, unruly. Yeah man, so see where a lot of green colors in this area. I think this is the Fire Reid area. Supposed to, but yeah, so the place look, you know. Body come turn out if you give them votes. It's a very nice look. Say party there, so later on don't know which one of the parties this. People them a jerk them fish, jerk them chicken. Just the vibes, you know. Just the vibes in Jamaica today, election day in Jamaica. So it's all about the hustling also. People come out, them cook them food, try to make $1 same way. So big up all of the hustler them in the street and they can big up on themselves. Yeah man, see the green there. Body come out. This is the community of in the Bacon area. See, they have a nice place right here. Very nice bar. I like how the place is set up. See, a lot of safety, emergency points. Yeah. First you have the vision, you know. Have the vision, a lot of palm trees looking good. Very nice area. Sometimes you just want to have the vision and just make a move